so what I'm actually gonna do here is take a baggie, open this, the gas. Doesn't have too much in it right there, right now. But to prevent, this is a little trick I learned. Just put that right over. And I'm not sure if someone told me to do that, because before it spilled a lot of gas. And also, you'll notice this is the air filter. I'm going to be tipping it up so the air filter is up on that side. Previously when I did it, some gas leaked into the air filter, and I did it the opposite way, so I'm going to do it with this on the top. I'm simply just going to flip it on its side right now. Alright, so I actually do have the owner's manual for the actual mower here. If you flip to the service blade care, it does say, like I have it, so you want to make sure that the air filter side is up. I'm going to remove the bolt. Of course it doesn't say what size, but that should be easy. And blade bell support, which hold the blade, and adapter. Here is the photo. So we'll remove that bolt off that, which holds that onto the mower. So right now I have just my socket set here. Yeah, you do want a piece of wood so that you can wedge it between the blade. So while you use the socket, it stops spinning basically. So this is metric, and I don't think it's actually metric, so I'm gonna go grab my SAE set. So I have my SAE socket set here. And let's see, maybe a 5/8, probably a 5/8. 9/16 is too small, 11/16 is too big. So this is 5/8. So when you loosen it, you're loosening it. Gonna just wedge a piece of board down there. And I'm just a little too tight, shit. If you do, you could get a pipe for some more leverage, but I got it. Also, you could spray some WD-40 or PD Blaster or something to penetrate. So that's the bolt. This is the piece that goes over. So we'll keep that together. Blade will come right off. And I had it so it was this way. So with the stickers, in this case, the lips were curling upwards and fitting right there on it, which is how the picture shows it. So yeah, I have it proper. Alright. So we're good there for a moment. Now we're gonna go grind. Alright, so very important. Gloves aren't as important, but they're nice to have. Eye protection is the most important. Some goggles. Hearing protection, this thing's pretty loud. So I'm gonna put my eye goggles on here. You have to trust me. Yes, I am on the view. All right. Got goggles. Got hearing protection. I'm gonna put, these are actually Tillman welding gloves. All right, so got eyes, ears, gloves. I have this plugged in. Basically, gonna be running the blade. This is pretty dull. I haven't sharpened it yet this year. I'm just gonna be taking it, and the blade's gonna spin. So I'll turn it right on. So you can tell that's already nice new edge here. All right, so nice to have a little test here. Get a nail on the wall. Put your, back up here. Put your blade on that nail. All right, so basically you want the blade here. You can see it's more or less level. It might be a tad more on this side, but you can always take off more metal on the one side if you need to. That's basically what this final test is. From my perspective, this is pretty darn level, so I am good. I'm not going to worry about it. This blade's fairly new. I got this last year as a replacement, a 21-inch mulching blade. Ended up getting it on Amazon. I forget the price, but a local place didn't even have one somehow. So you'll see these nice sharp edges here. See these nice sharp edges reflecting there. That's actually pretty damn sharp, even to the finger. So now all I'm gonna do is go ahead, clean off this crap underneath here. Use a screwdriver. I have a little tiny mini crowbar. I'm just gonna get all this grass mulch crap that was wet and then dried on there. Put the blade back on, then we'll move on to the oil change. All right, so before I put the new blade on, I'm just gonna get some of this crap off here. clean up all this crap later. But anyways, reverse direction. Sticker was facing backwards. So right here, this hole matches up with this. I already have this little plate that came with it and the screw that came with it, the bolt. Simple as making sure it is lined up in that little groove where it's meant to be. Jam your piece of wood down there so you can tighten it. Reverse your socket so you're tightening. Again, I'm using 5/8. The blade's catching now on the wood. You don't have to go crazy, but I'd rather have it too tight than fly off. So that's pretty damn tight. Take your wood out, and we are done with changing, and we just sharpened our blades, so not too bad. All right, so we just did that in probably 10 minutes real time. You do it in 5 minutes if you had all your tools lined up and knew what you're doing. So right now we are going to warm it up, drain the oil, and work on the oil change. Alright guys, so we just changed the oil in the mower, we sharpened the blades, and we cleaned the air filter. Overall that probably took around 30 minutes, took my time. I still have a little bit of cleanup to do. Gotta clean some of the dirt off the driveway, clean my oil tray and pan, and properly dispose of that oil that's in my pickle jar. But I think all in all, I think if you went to a local lawnmower repair store, they charge you around $100 or so. So if you just have some basic set of tools, SAE socket set, you could even just buy one socket if you needed to, individually. A piece of wood. You don't even actually need the metal spinning sharpener. You could use a hand file. So anyways guys, that is it. If you have any questions on maintenance on the mower, feel free to let me know. I'll have more videos on the Grom, more videos on the truck, more videos on my shop, DIY in here. So I have a lot going on. I just put up the pegboard. I'm putting new lights in. I just built the miter saw stand. Have a video coming up on that. So check my channel, subscribe if you like this. And yeah, also I have some videos coming out on my custom shelves, how I securely did that without having cross braces. So I had plenty of room to come under here. I'm gonna put some lights here, and then lots of stuff coming up, more electrical in here. I won't waste your time, but if you're interested, you want to check out any questions on the tools, what I'm doing in here, feel free to let me know. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the flip side. See ya!